7 bagulho tem que ser assim.
Yo, what's up guys, it's Cozmix back again with another powerful Android optimization video. And today, I'm going to show you how to unlock true 60-120 plus FPS in Mobile Legends on any Android device, even if you don't have root access. Yes, you heard that right. No root, no modded files, no risky edits, just pure system-level optimization using my newest tool, the MLFPS Shell Script, built specifically to maximize FPS stability while keeping gameplay smooth and responsive. If you're tired of FPS dropping in team fights, delayed skills, frame skips, heavy lag on low-end devices, game slowing down after long play, then this is exactly what you need. So sit back, relax, and let's unlock your device's true gaming performance. Before we jump into installation, let me explain what the MLFPS script actually does in your system, without touching game files. GPU boosting pushes your GPU workload honestly and efficiently for MLBB, helping you maintain high FPS in intense 5v5 clashes. And the best thing, everything resets automatically when you reboot your phone. No risk, no permanent change, completely safe. Before we begin, please remember, always back up your data before running any script. This script does not modify MLBB files, so it's safe for your account. Works on all Android versions. No root required, 100% safe, reversible, and clean optimization. Results vary depending on your hardware capabilities.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting.
The script will run system-level commands, clean your cache, optimize GPU scheduling, and boost your performance instantly. This is one of the most balanced FPS optimization scripts I've built so far. And that's it for today's optimization. If this MLFPS Shell script helped boost your gameplay, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Android tweaks, comment your FPS experience, follow me on TikTok, join my Telegram channel for exclusive scripts, and watch out for new MLBB optimization tools dropping soon. This is Cozmix, bringing you real performance, not myths. Play smoother, rank higher, and stay optimized. See you in the next video.